Hi friend, in this video I will show you how you can fix Bluetooth could not connect. So I am facing this problem when I try to open Bluetooth, but click on Bluetooth, it will prompt me this error message. So let's get started to fix this issue. Method 1, search for services. Click on services to open. Now here scroll down till you find Bluetooth support service. Right click on it and then click on properties. Make sure startup type is set to automatic and then click on apply and make sure services status should be running. If you see stop, then make sure start the service and then click on OK. Also see Bluetooth user support service is also running. Once you done that, try again. If you still facing the problem, then method second, right click on Windows icon. After that, click on device manager. Now in device manager, you will see Bluetooth, expand Bluetooth. Now right click on Bluetooth. If you see here enable device, then just click on enable device. Once enable, let's see whether our problem fixed or not. Click on Windows icon, go to settings, click on devices. Now here you see Bluetooth on and off button is present and you will on off the Bluetooth from settings. So through this you can fix Bluetooth could not find problem in Windows 10. If you find my video helpful, then do subscribe, like, comment. Thanks for watching.